Annyeong chingudeul. Today I'm going to do another unboxing. This time it's Starbucks Night Singing Lantern. Ta-da! Okay, let's open. Actually, there is a promo in Starbucks that you have to drink about 17 drinks and then you can get a present. So there are other presents, like I think it's a Starbucks cooler and this one. So there are, I think, 3 colors: pink, mint blue, and black. So actually I don't go to Starbucks a lot, but I saw this in like a second-hand online shop here in Korea. So I got a big deal with this. So I just paid 15,000 won. But actually, if you will buy this, I think the original price is about 23 to 25,000 won. But if you will drink, as I mentioned a while ago, 17 drinks, you can get this for free. However, there are many people waiting, so it's difficult to get a chance to, have this one. So let's open. It's well sealed. So I'll remove the sticker. Has a styrofoam. Still with the plastic. Nice color. I love it. And with the manual. So there we have it. So to turn this on, using this button, and then behind you can see this one, Bluetooth, pause, plus, minus. So it's like, I think, the sound, because do you know that this is also a Bluetooth? So it's a singing lantern and Bluetooth at the same time. So you have to use a C pin here to charge, but I don't have a C pin charger, so I'm going to put battery here. I would be needing 3 AA batteries. I'll put it now. There you go. And I will close it. Okay, and let's test. See? Okay. Wait, I have to turn off the lights. See? You can adjust the light here. You can turn it off and on. So I will connect it to my phone so I can use the Bluetooth as well. Turn on the Bluetooth, you have to press this one. You can hear the sound. See, it's blinking. And then I will use my other phone, so it's connected. So now I can play my favorite song and connect with my Bluetooth. Let's try one. Can you hear? Nice, right? You can turn the volume up. It's night now, so I cannot make the volume higher. Yeah, the beat is good and the sound is clear as well. See, it's good. You can also use this for camping. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Annyeong!